We shall now discuss the induction method. This method is suitable to expand the inner ring of any rolling bearing type, including sealed or shielded bearings. Before using the apparatus, study the manufacturer's brochure or manual regarding the necessary operating instructions. In principle, however, a suitable magnetizing bar is selected. The bearing is then suspended on the bar between the two armature supports, and a heat-sensing device is placed against the inner ring. The required temperature setting is selected and the device is activated. The bearing now begins to heat up. This model will automatically switch off and demagnetize when the required temperature has been reached. By this time, the bearing will have expanded sufficiently. Gloves or non-fluffy rags should be used to prevent you burning your hands. It must be stressed that the fitting of bearings using thermal methods must be done as quickly as possible in order to avoid loss or transfer of heat and subsequent premature shrinking of the bearing before it is correctly positioned. Always maintain pressure against the bearing for a few seconds. Then check that it has seated correctly. It is suggested that you now get in a little practice by using the induction heating device. This concludes the program concerning ball and cylindrical roller bearing mounting. Now it is up to you. Practice the skills of dismounting and mounting bearings in your own workplace, under the supervision of your instructor. You can learn more about bearing maintenance by viewing other programs in this series.